हरिओम। मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे. This beautiful Kabir bhajan is a timeless bhajan. Gita Bhagwan gave it even more depth when they sang it so soulfully. This bhajan is truly a revelation on where the divine actually lives. It's the simplest and most powerful awakening of every seeker's life. Stop searching outside for the God who breathes within you. Let's cherish and immerse in each line of this heartfelt rendition. मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में. O seeker, why do you search for me everywhere? I live closer to you than your own breath. God is not even a breath away from us. The belief that God is away from us or separate from us is a perception created by our own mind. It's a wrong belief. The separation exists only in our mind. When we discover the divine within us, this wrong belief drops and we feel connected. We experience the connection with God 24/7, every moment. We don't even have to remember Him because the divine realization of His presence within us and all around us in various forms never lets us feel disconnected from Him. It's like how we remember our name perpetually without any effort. We don't have to sit and remember and tell ourselves, I am Lata, I am this, I am that. It's internalized. Anybody calls us even in the middle of the night with our name, we jump out of our bed. And it's the same thing with divine realization of God within us. That awareness of His presence within us, He's always with us 24/7, doesn't require any effort. It's effortless. ना सूरत में, ना मूरत में, ना एकांत निवास में, ना मंदिर में, ना मस्जिद में, ना काबे कैलाश में. God says, I'm not restricted to a specific face or a specific idol or to temples and mosques and churches and these religious places. I'm not restricted to these. And I'm not even only found in holy pilgrimages. But I'm everywhere. I'm omnipresent. I am in these places and faces and pilgrimages, but I am everywhere else too. This realization of omnipresence of God will come to us only when we first discover the God within us, divine within us. Spirituality is not confined to places, people, idols, rituals. Divinity cannot be locked in structures. We can experience it now and here, right within us. And when we experience the divine within us, we realize true pilgrimage is not outside. It is this inner travel, this inner journey of spiritual evolution. ना मैं जप में, ना मैं तप में, ना व्रत उपवास में, ना मैं क्रिया कर्म में रहता, नहीं योग संन्यास में. God says, don't look for me in chants or in penance, in fasts and rituals. Don't look for me in activities and work. Don't even look for me in yoga, meditation or renunciation. Seekers use all these tools to reach God, who's right within us. These tools can at most just make us focus on the path of spirituality, purify our day-to-day living, but they are not the ultimate destination. In fact, these rituals or tools are ways that make us realize that none of these tools actually work to be able to truly connect with God permanently every moment. For example, one can meditate for hours but not for the entire life. One can fast for days but not for the lifetime. One can chant for hours but not for lifetime, not 24/7. In these rituals, one may see the glimpse of the divine, but true union with God and 24/7 connection with the divine happens only when we transcend or drop these tools and rituals. That is when effortless connection with God happens in every breath, 24/7 every moment. Once we unite with God, then everything happens through us without we having to do any effort. It's an effortless path. More than these rituals and tools, what is most effective as a path to discover God is satsang. A true guru and satsang make us reach God, make us meet the divine within in the most effective and fastest way. All we have to do is to surrender to the wisdom of a true guru. And once we surrender, just enjoy this inner journey towards God and unite with Him forever. So discovering God is not about any external religion or rituals. It's only about an internal realization that He's already within us. We don't need to do anything to reach Him. He's already within us in every breath. खोजी होए तुरंत मिल जाऊं एक पल की तलाश में, कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधु मैं तो हूँ विश्वास में. God says, if you sincerely set out on the journey to truly find me, to truly search me, you will find me instantly, within a single moment of seeking. That's how close I am. So the divine is not revealed through effort, but through sincerity, through faith, through Shraddha. Kabir says, listen to me, O seekers, O sages, O sadhaks on this path. God is found only in faith, in Vishwas, in surrender, in Shraddha, Vishwas, Samarpan. The day anyone cultivates unshakable faith in the true Guru's wisdom, in satsang, God is found instantly. And then God walks this journey with us, through us, leading to oneness with Him. So we don't have to run, we don't have to travel, we don't have to perform, we don't have to prove anything to reach God. We simply have to become still, silent, and sincere enough to notice God's presence already inside us. We simply have to have faith in the path, faith in the words of a true Guru, and surrender to the wisdom of a true Guru. When we stop searching outside, we begin finding inside. When we find God within, we begin to see God in everyone. That is real worship, that is real pilgrimage, that is real liberation. To experience God's presence every moment, in everyone, everything, everywhere. Stay connected to God every moment. Stay one with Him. Don't go looking for Him outside until you find Him within, and then there will be no need to look for Him outside, as He will appear in every form, in everything, everyone, everywhere. मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में. मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में, मैं तो तेरे पास रे. मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे, ना सूरत में ना मूरत में, ना एकांत निवास में, ना सूरत में ना मूरत में, ना एकांत निवास में, ना मंदिर में ना मस्जिद में, ना काबे कैलाश में. मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे, मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे. नाम जप में नाम में, ना विरत उपवास में, ना मैं जप में, ना मैं तप में, ना विरत उपवास में, ना मैं क्रिया कर्म में रहता, नहीं योग संन्यास में, मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे, मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे। खोजी होए तुरत मिल जाऊं, खोजी होए तुरत मिल जाऊं, एक पल की तलाश में। कहे कबीर सुनो भाई साधु, कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधु, मैं तो हूँ विश्वास में, मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में, मैं तो तेरे पास रे, मैं तो हूँ विश्वास में, मोको